Welcome back to my another new video. So this is a morning time, and right now I have come here to visit my vegetable field. This is also my own vegetable field, and I'd like to show you my Malabar spinach field and some different types of vegetable over here. Look over here. I would like to show you here different types of vegetable. Actually right now I have come here to my Malabar spinach field. As you can see, আসলে Malabar spinach মানে হচ্ছে পুঁই শাক, different types of vegetable over here. Malabar spinach মানে হচ্ছে পুঁই শাক। আপনি এটাকে ইন্ডিয়ান স্পিনিচও বলতে পারেন, যদি ইংলিশ আপনি বিভিন্ন ধরনের যেহেতু ওয়ার্ড হয়ে থাকে, Malabar spinach, ইন্ডিয়ান স্পিনিচ, আপনি যেটা মনে করেন সেটাই বলতে পারেন। So right now I have come here to visit our Malabar spinach field. As you can see, there are some Malabar spinach field. Actually this is my own vegetable field, and as you can see there are so many weeds over here, and you can see we have cleaned in this side. Actually my father yesterday cleaned this side, and maybe today my father will remove these weeds in this side. Actually without removing weeds our Malabar spinach will damage, so that's why we have to remove different types of weeds from our vegetable field. And you can see over here in this side, this is our jute leaf plants. Actually this is my own jute leaf field. As you can see there are some little jute leaf plants. আসলে jute leaf মানে হচ্ছে পাট শাক. So as you can see the condition of my jute leaf and our Malabar spinach field, and I'd like to show you my uncle's jute leaf plants, jute leaf fields. As you can see, this is my younger uncle jute leaf plants. Actually my uncle's means my father's cousin. So as you can see this is my uncle's vegetable estate. Actually there was some bean plants over here on this estate, but right now this plant has cut in, and my uncle will grow here different types of vegetable very soon. So that's why now he is cut his bean plants, and I'd like to show you my own vegetable field. This is our own pointed gourd field. As you can see, actually I will try to show you some little pointed gourd. As you can see there are so many pointed gourd over here. Look, there are so many pointed gourd on this plant. There are so many little pointed gourd. আসলে pointed gourd মানে হচ্ছে পটল. Actually we grow here different types of vegetable only for meeting our family need, because we are a farmer. So we are to grow different types of vegetable in our vegetable field. আসলে বর্তমান প্রেক্ষাপটে যে সবজির দাম, সেই প্রেক্ষাপটে যদি আপনি সবজি কিনতে যান প্রত্যেকটা সংসার কিন্তু ঘাটতি পড়বে। তো আমাদের এই সংসারটাতে ঘাটতিটা রিডিউস করার জন্য আমরা অল্প করে লাগিয়ে থাকি এরকম ভেজিটেবল, মানে ডিফারেন্ট টাইপস অফ ভেজিটেবল আমরা লাগিয়ে থাকি আমাদের নিজস্ব জমিতে। তো এই তো দেখালাম আমাদের সেই ছোট্ট সুন্দর শস্য শ্যামলা একটা সবুজের সবজির বাগান। তো no more today's video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Have a good day.